be teaching you how to shoot arrows like these. So I don't only have one, I have 4 down there. Here's my bow. It's not mine. It's not my arrows I'm borrowing. I just want a video. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 ways. But this is I'm going to show you one first. Don't do it like that. That's not the. Don't do it like that. Okay, don't. You have to do it like that. That's the way. Okay. Yeah. That's well. So today, I'm gonna be showing. I'm gonna have you.